Guys, in this video, I will show you how you can fix MBA 2K25 not launching on Steam. So without further ado, let's get started. So first step, what I suggest to do here, if you're using third-party controller apps like Revast or DS4 Windows, try to disable them because sometimes it can conflict with a game. And also, if you plug a lot of peripherals on your computer, controller, steering wheel, VR, or something else, also try to disable them all. Just leave with a keyboard and a mouse and look if the game is running or not, because sometimes also it can be peripherals problem, right? And then if using overlays on apps like Steam uses overlay, Discord uses overlay, GeForce Experience uses overlay, try to disable them as well. For example, MBA 2K25 properties. Then as you can see here, there is a Steam overlay, try to disable them because also it can conflict with the game. GeForce Experience, also you just need to go to gear icon and then disable in-game overlay as well. And always make sure that your GPU and your operating system is fully updated. So if you're using, for example, NVIDIA GPU, you just need to go to drivers, check for updates. And if there is a driver that you need to download and install it, please do so as well. Same thing with your operating system, just go to settings and then Windows Update. And if there is an update, update your operating system as well. And if it's not working, what you need to do here next is to go back on Steam. Then you need to right click on MBA 2K25, go to properties, then you need to go to installed files, then you need to go to browse, then scroll down until you see MBA 2K25exe, right click on it, go to show more options, properties, compatibility, and make sure to run this program as administrator. And once you're on this file, on this folder, copy the path, right? Then what you need to do here next is to go to on search, go right graphic settings, then press browse, paste the path, add the exe file, and then here go to options and make it to high performance, right? And look if the problem persists or not. If the problem persists, then go to virus and threat protection. Then you need to go to manage settings, exclusions. We just need to wait for a couple of seconds, add an exclusion, folder, paste the path again, and select folder. Right? Then what you need to do here next is to go to Windows Defender Firewall. Then go to allow an app or feature through Windows Defender Firewall. Change settings. Allow another app. Browse. Again, paste the path. Look for exe file and add it here. If you're getting this, that already is an exception list, you're good to go. You don't need to do here nothing. And if it's added, also it's a good thing. And still, if it's not working, go back on Steam, press on the Steam icon, go to settings, then go to downloads, and then clear download cache. And after that, what you need to do here is to go to MBA 2K25, right click on it, go to properties, installed files, and verify integrity of the game files. Then if it's not working, write run on search. Then you just need to write local app data %. And here you need to look for 2K Sports, and then just delete MBA 2K25 folder, right? And look if the problem persists. If the problem persists, then go to on properties, on launch options. You just need to write -windowed and try to force launch the game in windowed mode, because sometimes in full screen it won't launch. And yeah, that's pretty much it. And after you apply all these changes, it should work. So yeah, that's pretty much it. If I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.